Hey, it's Doug coming to you from If the Stones Could Talk, and we're down here at the beautiful Whirlpool Creek in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Just wanted to share my latest and greatest find. Oh man, we got a good one here. Look at that little birdie. Kind of looks like a turtle dove to me. I saw that shape. I said, my gosh, look at that thing. Something strange going on there. Also, got that. You can see how it's been worked. I got to clean up this other side and see if we can see something over here. Really cool though. Look at that. Just like a turtle dove. God bless. Bye for now.